In this video,
we will learn how to make a second character in GTA 5. In order to make a second character, firstly, after getting into the game, you'll need to press the escape button. After that, you need to head to the online tab. From here, you need to select manage characters, then hit enter. After that, a character selection screen will pop up. From here, you can select the new character creation, which will be available because by buying premium you can open up 2 character slots, then confirm that you want to create a new character in the employees slot. Now by purchasing GTA 5 premium edition, you can also get a $4 million Kickstarter, which will start your new character with $4 million of in-game currency. Now you can choose a career that you want to follow. You can also migrate your original character's level, then select your character's heritage and features, appearances. After everything is done, you can hit on enter and your new character will be created. So this is how you can easily create a second character in Grand Theft Auto 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.